The penultimate draw is the southeast draw, so there are 18 clubs here, and Steve will once again draw the home clubs. Shiswary. We'll play Newport Civil Service, Gwent Derby match. Tredegar Town. We'll play Caerleon. Thomas Bluebirds. We'll play Cumbraen Town. Sherwin Stars. We'll play Aber Valley. STM Sports. We'll play West of St Julian's. Annesley Welfare. We'll play Machen. RTB Ebbw Vale. We'll play Aberfan. FC Tredegar. We'll play Dynamo Aber. Panteg. We'll play Newport YMCA. And that concludes the southeast draw.